how to make a t-shirt for your Roblox group. So here I've just loaded up Roblox. We want to click on create on the website, and then here from the left hand side, view as, we make sure you have selected your group here. So this is my group that I've created. Now once we select the group for which we want to make a t-shirt, we'll go into creations here from the left hand side, go into avatar items, and then go into classics. Here what we have to do is upload the design for the t-shirt. So these are the requirements, one file, these are the formats that are supported, and this is the maximum size. Click on upload asset, set the name here for group t-shirt like this, then click on upload here and select the design which we want to add on our t-shirt, and we can write a description here. So after we have filled out all of this information, we will click on upload like this, and now we will have to left click on the shirt that we just created, put it for sale, so just toggle this on and write the price for this. So you will receive 70% of this sum of Robux. So if I write 3 Robux here, I can publish this, and it's going to cost me 10 Robux to put it on sale. So just put it on sale here, confirm, t-shirt updated. Now once we see this, we can go back, and from the quick links I'll go into Roblox and I'll just confirm that this works. Click on the hamburger icon here in the top left, groups. Now I'm going to go into my group here, ignore this, go into my group, and right here I will go into store, and as you can see I've just created this t-shirt design on my Roblox group. Hope this helps, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.